So this is my review video for the Flip UltraHD. Here's the box that it comes in. Let me just give you some background. The video camera that I use currently does not have a very good microphone. In fact, it sounds very muffled. And so I've been noticing that a lot of YouTubers are using the Flip cameras, and I wanted to give it a try. So, yeah, here's the package. You open it up. It says you can shoot anything, everything. You'll notice that this is the black model with the chrome trim. They have a couple different color schemes. They have white also, and then they have the white with the different color trims. They have or yellow trim, pink trim, things like that. So you can customize it pretty well. You can see inside the box there are instructions, and when you pull those out, let's see, you get down under here, there's a pouch for your flip camera. Let's see, here's a little lanyard, a little wrist strap, really. Kind of shiny. I know I've noticed a lot of YouTubers don't use them, so I don't know. It's good if you're doing a lot of stuff around water. That would make me nervous. And it unscrews. That's pretty cool. You can take it off and leave the base of the wrist strap attached. Makes it easier to take off. And then the battery pack, which is basically just two AA batteries attached together. That's one of the good things about this Flip camera. The UltraHD has the two AA batteries, so you can use your own AA batteries if you need to. With the Flip Minnow, you cannot remove its. I think it has a lithium-ion battery. You can't remove it, so there's a lot of limitation there. You can't replace it in the future. You know, let's say you're going over to celebrate Thanksgiving at your family's house. You forgot to recharge your batteries. Well, with this UltraHD, you can stop in at a gas station, buy some AA batteries, and you're good as new. Let's take off the cover, the lens cover, and you can see that the case that comes with this UltraHD can be used as a pouch, but it can also be used to clean all the chrome off and clean the lens. It feels like a microfiber case, so that's good because, you know, there's no point in taking video if the lens is all scratched up or all smudged. And there's an unlock button on the bottom, right next to the tripod hole, and that removes the faceplate, and you can put your rechargeable battery in. And like I said, it will also fit two regular size AA batteries, or you can buy your own rechargeable AA batteries. Some specs: the zoom is, I think it's purely a digital zoom, so no optical zoom on this. You can see it has about a 2-inch screen, which is bigger than the Minnow, but it's smaller than some other pocket cameras out there. So I think is supposed to do fine in daylight. So that's one of the advantages of the screen on the UltraHD. You can see it tells you how long you've been recording, and you can also zoom in and out. I think it's just a 4x digital zoom, if I'm not mistaken. The video quality, you can see it's in a 16:9 ratio. I don't think there's even an option for the 4:3 ratio, but the video resolution is 720p, so it's not, you know, the 1080p high definition that a lot of TVs have gone over to. But trust me, for a pocket cam, 720p should be fine, and it's got a 1280 by 720 resolution at 30 frames per second, which is what most TV programs record at. But you can see that it has a nice matte finish, feels kind of rubberized, very nice. I don't think you're going to get any, it's not going to smudge at all. Could scratch though, that maybe worries me. That's what you'd use the case for. Although this thing is supposed to be a pocket-sized camera, it's a little bit bigger than like a blue jean pocket. It might be a little tight in there. So most of the time you're just going to be carrying it around in your hand. But yeah, it fits really nicely in its case. I'm glad that they include a case, so you don't have to buy one. Next, my Flip came with two accessories. One was two HDMI cables, which haven't arrived yet, and then there's this one, which is the tripod. Seems like a pretty simple tripod. It actually, it does not tilt. It actually just stands there. You can see it has wire legs, which are easily bendable. The thing I like about this tripod is that if you're going to take this out into the woods like I would on hikes and things like that, you can wrap this around a tree limb, which you can't do with most tripods. So it's great for outdoors. I've even seen it wrapped up in the holes of a helmet before. If you do mountain biking, you can just attach your flip cam to your helmet, although I'd watch out for any low tree branches because it would take your camera right off. And you can see that there's 4 extra sets of feet, different colored feet for your flip tripod. Let's try orange here. See how that looks. I'm never going to use the pink. I can guarantee you that. But I guess that's nice. Not entirely necessary, but it's nice to have different colored feet. The price of the tripod on its own is $15, and probably, I mean, I could do without the extra feet if they could save me a few bucks. But there it is. Really nice, very solid piece of equipment there. Click the link in the corner for the part 2 of this review. I'm going to do a comparison of the video quality of my current camera and the new Flip UltraHD.